Shot right after lunch.
Did I say little?
Hand of the burper. I can burp very well, but I held my burp in because of the smell. So I came home and blurch. I can freely blurp. It's stinky but blurch. Confidently blurp. Burpy burp burp burp. Burpy burp burp burp. Burpy burp burp burp. Burp smell everywhere. I feel great.
A big brown bear is burping by the bed. Boing, 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 they all put. A big brown bear is burping by the boat. Boing, 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 they...
Gives new meaning to the word junk food.
You're a jerk. Oh, you are a jerk. Freeze that thing again.
Hey, where's my raisin pie?
I was going to ask the same thing.
What the?
Franklin, you took our pie.
He will be miscalled to his regular, fat, lazy self. You're disgusting. To think that the greatest criminal mind in the world.
Big mistake!
Maybe he's full?
In our tummies. Man, that food was definitely. Acre. Wow, that food was delicious. Oh, up.
Loco! I could burp upside down! Who knew?